Then learn practical part. There are different types of giants are there. How many types of giants are there? What are the different types of giants, sir? What are those four types? Inner giant, outer giant, self giant, uh, and cross giant. Cross giant can be also called as Cartesian giant. Self giant can be also called as uh, recursive giant. In the inner giant, two subtypes are there. What are those? Equigiant, non-equigiant. In the outer giant, three subtypes are there. What are those? Left outer giant, right outer giant, full outer giant. These are the different types of giants. What is inner giant? What is inner giant? What is inner giant, sir? Inner giant gives matcher records. What is outer giant? Outer giant gives both matcher records and unmatched records. Cheppale Babu. You have to tell, sir. Tomorrow, when I start the session, I ask the same questions. Please give the response. Refer the notes. Learn them. When I ask the questions, give the response. Inner giant gives matched records only. One sentences unable to tell means what you are learning, sir. Inner giant gives matched records. Outer giant gives both matched records and unmatched records. Simple. Inner giant gives only matched records. Outer giant gives both matched records and unmatched records. What is equigiant? What is equigiant? Based on equality condition, it performs giant operation. Based on equality condition, it performs giant operation. Giant means an operation. In giant operation, one table row will be joined with another table row. In giant operation, one table row will be joined with another table row. In equigiant, this join operation performed based on equality condition. In previous session, I explained this example. I want to get student details with math subject marks. So this student table row joined with marks table row based on equality condition. This is called equigiant. One table row joined with another table row based on equality condition. Equigiant. For 1001 record, matching record available in another table, match record. For 1003, there is no matching record available in another table, unmatched record. Inner giant can give only matched records. Inner giant can never give unmatched records. Outer giant gives both matched records and unmatched records. Points are very clear. And also I explained this example. This example also explained. I want to get employee details, e-name salary, available in the EMP table, along with department details. Department details available in department table. I want to get data from multiple tables. So use the concept giants. So employee details along with department details we want. The Smith employee working in 28 department means he is working in research department. So if EMP table department number equals to department table department number, join them. If you join like this, you can access second table data. So this is the join condition. This EMP table row joined with department table row based on equality condition. That is why it is called equijoin. Till here we discussed in the previous session. Now see some more examples on equijoin. Okay, display the employee details. Display Blake record or Allen record along with department details. My requirement is I want to get Allen record along with department details. I want to get output like this: e name, d name, location. So this is output I want to get now. Observe now. This is EMP table. This is EMP table. What is our requirement? We want to get Allen record. This is department table. For any session, a good start is very important, sir. I came with enthusiasm. I came to give excellent knowledge to you. When I asked the questions, you didn't give response. My enthusiasm gone. Then have you get the subject from me, sir? When I ask the questions, give the responses here. This e name column available in which table? EMP table. This d name location columns available in which table? Department. So from two tables, we need to get the data now. From multiple tables, if we want to get the data, definitely we have to go for Jan's concept. Jan's concept purpose is retrieving data from multiple tables. But we don't want to get all employees records. We want to get only Allen record. Allen record I want to get. You tell me, sir, Allen working in which department? What is the department name of Allen? Sales. How you are telling? Based on the department number. Same thing Oracle has to do now. For this EMP table, give alias name E. For this department table, give alias name D. If EMP table department number is equals to department table department number, join them. If EMP table department number is equals to department table department number, join them. If we join like this, we can access department name and location. That is why we are joining. So join condition is E dot department number equals to D dot department number. Why this is the join condition? Because just now I asked one simple question. This Alan working in which department? What is his department name? Immediately you told sales. How you told? Based on the department number. Same thing Oracle has to do. If EMP table department number equals to department table department number, join those rows. If we join like this, we can access this department name and location. So that is why we are writing this join condition. So this is the join condition we are writing. Now write the query now. In Oracle style, I want to write the query now. Now what we have to write, sir? Select ename column available in which table, sir? EMP table. So what we have to write here? E dot ename. D name column available in which table? Department table. What we have to write? D dot D name. Next location. Location available in which table? Department table. What we have to write? D dot location from EMPE department D. Where? Right join condition. E dot department number equals to T dot. If I write this much only, I get all employee records. All employee details along with department details. Smith Research, Allen Sales, Ward Sales, King Accounting. Like this I get. All employee records I get. But my requirement is I want to get only Allen record. If I write it like this is previous session query only. In previous session or last query was this one only. It gives all employee details with department details. But I want to get only Allen record. So write the condition now. What's the condition we have to write? E dot ename equals to Allen. E dot ename equals to Allen. Write this condition. So and E dot ename equals to Allen. Like this we write. So because of this condition, we get only Allen record. If this condition is not there, we get all employee details along with department details. But I want to get only Allen record, so I'm writing this condition. Okay. Now this is Oracle style. This is Oracle style. Same query, I want to write in ANSI style now. The same query, I want to write in ANSI style. In ANSI style, just I'm copying this. To separate these two table names, we use keyword. For equigen, which keyword we have to use? Inner join. This is join condition, right? Join condition in which clause? On clause. If you write like this, does it work, sir? Yes, it works. But Oracle company is suggesting that this on clause specially designed to specify join condition. On clause specially designed to specify join condition. This is not join condition. This is filter condition. This is filter condition. So Oracle company is suggesting that in on clause specify join condition, in where clause specify filter condition. So write this filter condition in the where clause. Like this we write. If we write like this, does it work, sir? Yes, it works. But Oracle company is suggesting that on clause specially designed for join condition. So write join condition only. Don't write filter condition. Filter condition we have to write in the where clause. That's it. So we get Allen record along with department details. So in previous session, this query we have written, sir. All employee details with department details we get. Today I am writing this condition extra. So I get only Allen record with department details. In previous session, we have written this one. It gives all employee records along with department details. But I want to get only Allen record. So I'm writing this condition extra here. So equigen plus condition. That's it, sir. Let me show this one only. You have to tell, sir, everyone involved in the class. Please make the session interesting. You tell me now. First, let me write the question. I want to get employee name, department name, location. E name column available in the EMP table, alias name E. D name location columns available in the department table, alias name D. Tell me, sir, we want to get only Allen record. We want to get only Allen record. We want to get. Tell me now what we have to write. Select E dot D name, D dot D name, D dot location from EMPE, department D, where? Common column department number, sir. E dot department number equals to D dot department number. If we write this much only, what's the output we get, sir? All employee records we are getting, observed. All 14 employees we are getting. But what is our requirement now? We want to get only Allen record. We want to get only Allen record. So we need to write condition now. What is the condition? And E dot E name equals to Allen. Only Allen record we are getting, observed, sir. Allen record with department details. This is Oracle style. Same query write in ANSI style, sir. What we have to write? E dot D name, D dot D name, D dot location from EMPE, inner Jan, department D on E dot department number equals to D dot department number where Allen. That's it. Very good, sir. That's it. We are getting Allen record and 6. Okay. Now you tell me, is this one Jan condition or filter condition? Filter condition. Is this one Jan condition or filter condition? Jan condition. In Jan condition and filter condition, first which one will be executed, sir? First filter condition will be executed. In Jan condition and filter condition, first which one will be executed? Filter condition. Then which operation will be performed? Jan operation will be performed. Understand this point? This is EMP table. This is department table. We are writing this query. This is Jan condition. This is filter condition. E dot department number equals to D dot department number. That is Jan condition. E dot E name equals to Allen. This is filter condition. In Jan condition and filter condition, first which one will be executed? Filter condition. So because of first filter condition executed, from EMP table, we get only Allen record. From EMP table, only Allen record selected because first filter condition executed, sir. First this filter condition executed. That is why I'm getting only Allen record from EMP table. From department table, all rows we get. From department table, all rows we get. From EMP table, only Allen record selected. From department table, all rows selected. Now Jan operation will be performed. What is the Jan condition? E dot department number equals to D dot department number. Notice here, what is E dot department number value? Observe here, what is E dot department number value? 30. Is 30 equals to 10? False. Is 30 equals to 20? False. Is 30 equals to 30? True. Jans no. Is 30 equals to 40? False. Will not Jan. So this Allen record Janed with 30 department sets. So first filter condition executed. That is why Allen record we are getting from EMP table. From department table, all rows selected. Then it is performing Jan operation. So like this it works. How can you say first filter condition executed from EMP table, one row selected? How can you say? To see execution plan, there is one command is there. Set auto trace. By default, auto trace value is option. It's like every day you are setting page size. Set page size 200. Like this you are setting. Like that auto trace one parameter is there. Its default value is off. Set that as on explain. It shows execution plan. Observe now. Set auto trace on explain. Set auto trace on explain. It shows execution plan now. I'm submitting this query now. Observe this query I'm submitting. Notice here, it is showing execution plan. Observe. Execution plan it is showing. Why it is showing execution plan? Because I'm setting auto trace as unexplained. Because of I'm setting auto trace as unexplained, it's showing execution plan. In the execution plan, it is telling that from department table, all 4 rows selected. From EMP table, only 1 row selected, that is alien row selected. Then it is performing JAN operation. Then it is selecting the data. With this, we can understand that first filter condition executed. Then JAN operation performed. This is a proof. So, in JAN condition and filter condition, first which one will be executed? Filter condition. How can we say? By seeing the execution plan. From department table, 4 rows selected. From EMP table, 1 row, alien row selected. Then performing JAN operation. Then selecting the data. That's it. This is equi-JAN plus condition. Next question. Display the employee records who are working in sales department. Understand, sir? If we write like this, we are getting all employee records. All employee records we are getting. Observe. If we write like this, we are getting all employee records. But what is my requirement? Who are working in sales only I want, sir. Who are working in sales only I want. So which condition we need to write now? D dot D name equals to sales. That's it. Equi-JAN plus condition. Who are working in sales only I want. So write D dot D name equals to sales. Simple. I want to get 2 columns. E name, D name. I don't want to get all employee records who are working in sales I want. So E name column available in EMP table. D name column available in department table. From multiple tables, if we want to get the data, go for JANs now. Tell me the final query, sir. What we need to write? Oracle style. Tell me, sir, what we have to write? Okay. Okay, columns display చేయాలి బాబు. I want to get 2 columns. 2 columns हो ना मुझको. Okay. E name column EMP table में है. D name column department table में है. E dot D name, D dot D name. From EMP E, department D. Common column department number. E dot department number equals to D dot department number. I don't want to get all rows who are working in sales. D dot D name equals to sales. Tell me, sir, what we are write? Select E dot D name, D dot D name from MPE, department D, where? JAN condition. E dot department number equals to D dot department number. If we write this much only, we get all rows. But we want to get only sales rows. What we would write? And D dot D name equals to sales. That's it. This is Oracle style. Same query. I want to write in ANSI style. So in ANSI style, to separate these 2 table names, use the keyword inner JAN. Shortly, you can write join. This is JAN condition. Write JAN condition in which class? On class. Okay, this is filter condition. Write filter condition which class, sir? Where class? That's it. Oracle style I'm copying. Observe now. See. The employees who are working in sales only I'm getting. Observe. Sales department has 6 employees. This is Oracle style. Same query I'm writing in ANSI style now. To separate these 2 table names, use the keyword inner JAN, or shortly you can write JAN on E dot department number equals to D dot department number, where D dot D name equals to sales. See here? Same output I'm getting. Observe. Who are working in sales I'm getting. but this is ANSI style. So this is Jan condition. This is filter condition. D dot D name equals to sales. This is filter condition. This is Jan condition. In Jan condition and filter condition, first which one will be executed? Filter condition. That is why from department table only one row selected, sales row selected. From EMP table all rows selected. Then performing Jan operation. Then selecting the data. That's it. So like this, equi-Jan plus condition we can write based on our requirement. Suppose the question is like this. Display the employee records who are working in Chicago. The employees who are working in Chicago I want, or New York I want. The employees who are working in New York I want, sir. Okay, I want to get 3 columns. E name, D name, location. Location must be New York. Tell me, sir, what is the E name column available in EMP table? D name location available in department table. Tell me the final query in Oracle style, what we read? E dot D name, D dot D name, D dot location from EMPE, department D, where E dot department number equals to D dot department number and D dot location equals to New York. That's it. I'm copying this. Observe here the employees who are working in New York, we are getting observed. The employees who are working in New York only I'm getting. E name column available in EMP table. D name location columns available in department table. To get data from multiple tables, I'm using Jan concept. If I write this much only, I get all records. But I want to get who are working in New York. That is why I'm writing this filter condition. From department table, one row selected. New York row selected. From EMP table, all rows selected. Then performing Jan operation. Then selecting the data. So first filter condition executed, then Jan operation performed. So this is Oracle style. For ANSI style, to separate these two table names, use Jan. Write this Jan condition in on class. Write this filter condition in where class. Same output we are getting. Okay, but this is ANSI style. Who are working in sales, we are sorry. Who are working in New York, we are getting. Okay, but this is ANSI style. So this is equi-Jan plus condition. Now, another example I'm taking, sir. You have to tell this last example on equi-Jan. I'm expecting correct answer from you. One computer institute is maintaining their course details in the course table. Like this, course ID, course name. 10 is the course ID for Java. 20 is course ID for Python. 30 is course ID for C#. Like this data is there. When students joined in the course, they are maintaining data like this. Student ID, student name, course ID. 100 A student learning 20th course, sir. Means which course he is learning? Python. Python he is learning. 1002 B also learning Python. 1003 learning 10th course. 1004 learning 10th course. Like this data is there. Like this data is there. Now the question is display student name and course name. Display student name, which course is learning, course name I want. So I want to get output like this. So student name available in the student name available in student table. Course name available in course table. For student table, I'm giving alias name S. For course table, I'm giving alias name C. Okay, I want to get output like this. A student learning 20th course means he is learning Python. Like this, I want to get the output. This is my requirement. Like this, all students records I want to get. Student name, which course is learning, course name. This is our requirement. So now, just now I asked one simple question. A student learning which course? A student learning which course? Then immediately you told Python. How you told? Based on the course side. Course side. So same thing Oracle has to do. If student table course ID is equals to course table course ID, join them. Is 20 equals to 10? False. Is 20 equals to 20? True. Is 20 equals to 30? False. So if true, join them. Join. If we join like this, we can get student details along with course. We can access course name now. Because of this join operation, I can access course name now. Again, 20 equals to 20. So join like this. Okay, 10 equals to 10, join like this. Okay, 10 equals to 10, join like this. In 30, no student join. This is unmatched record. These colored records are matched record. This is unmatched record. Inner join can give matched records only. Inner join can never give unmatched record. Like this. So now you tell me the query, sir. If we want to get student details with course details, okay, if we want to get student details with course details, what we have to write, sir? Emrayala Babu, select S dot S name, C dot C name. ఇది ఎందుకు రాసినామంటే నువ్వు చెప్పాలనే రాసినాం. ఇది కూడా ఎందుకు రాసినామంటే నువ్వు చెప్పాలనే రాసినాం. S dot S name, C dot C name. From which tables? Student S, course C. Where? Write Jan condition. What is the Jan condition? S dot CID equals to C dot CID. That's it. For Jan condition, common column is required. Common column is CID. If student table course ID equals to course table course ID, Jan them. This is the Jan condition. So this is Oracle style. This is Oracle style. Same query. I want to write in ANSI style now. For ANSI style, to separate these two table names, use the keyword inner join, or shortly you can write join. This join condition right in the on class. We get student details with course details. You take any number of examples, same model will be there. 3 examples I explained. Student table, marks table, EMP table, department table, student table, course table. So in all these 3, same model I used, equigen. Okay, suppose we want to get who are learning Java only. Suppose we want to get who are learning Java only. What we need to write? And C dot C name equals to Java. Who are learning Java only we get. Where? C dot C name equals to Java. Java, like this. Okay, no, we want to get only A student details with course details. We want to get only A student details. Okay, write like this. S dot S name equals to A. Only A student details we get. S dot S name equals to A. Only A student details we get. Like this. So this is about equigen. Equigen topic is over. Finally, the conclusion is, okay, one table row will be joined with another table row based on equality condition. If one table row joined with another table row based on equality condition, that is called equigen. If student table student ID equals to marks table student ID, join them. Equivalent. If EMP table department number equals to department table department number, join them. Equivalent. Okay. If student table course ID equals to course table course ID, join them. Equivalent. Based on equality condition, if JAN operation is performed, that is equijan. Tomorrow, when I start the question, when I start the session, I ask is equijan. Many students see like this only. Please don't see like that, sir. Equijan performs JAN operation based on equality condition. Tell this answer. Don't sit idle. Give this answer. One sentence only. What is equijan means? Tell this one. It performs JAN operation based on equality condition. That is equijan. Is it clear about equijan, sir? Online students, please confirm. Is it clear about equijan? Tomorrow I will explain, sir. Now I want to focus completely on outer JAN. Very, very important. We must know. We are discussing about outer JAN. So what is outer JAN? Listen, you already know inner JAN gives only match records. Outer JAN gives both match records and unmatched records. Simple. Inner JAN gives only match records. Outer JAN gives both match records and unmatched records also. If we want to get unmatched records also, then go for outer JAN. What is matched record? What is unmatched record? I already explained. Observe here, Smith employee working in 28 department means he is working in research department. So for this Smith record, matching record available in department table. So this is match record from EMP. This is match record from department. For one record, if matching record available in another table, that is match record. This is match record from EMP. This is match record from department. In the same way here also, this employee working in 38 department, match record. This employee also working in 38 department, match record. For one record, if matching record available in another table, that is match record. This employee working in 10, match record. Notice here, for this employee department is not assigned. So for this record, there is no matching record available in another table. This is unmatched record from EMP table. For this employee also department not assigned. So this is unmatched record from department, from EMP table. So these two are unmatched records from EMP table because for these two records, there is no matching record available in another table. And notice here, 40 has no employee, observe. 10 has employee, 20 has employee, 30 has employees, but 40 has no employee. This is unmatched record from department. That's it. So these are the, for this record, matching record available in another table. So this is match record. For this matching record available in another table. So match record. For this also matching record available in another table. So match record. For this also matching record available in another table. So match record. These are match records from department table. These are match records from EMP table. But observe these two records. For these two records, there is no matching record available in another table. So these are called unmatched records from EMP table. 10 has employees, 20 has employees, 30 has employees, but 40 has no employee. So for this record, there is no matching record available in the EMP table. So this is unmatched record from department table. Okay. So this ABR unmatched records from EMP table. 40 is unmatched record from department table. Remaining records are matched records. These are matched records from EMP. These are matched records from department. For one record, if matching record available in another table, that is matched record. For one record, if matching record is not available in another table, that is unmatched record. Inner chain gives only matched records. To get unmatched also, go for outer chain. So inner chain gives only matched records. Outer chain gives both matched and unmatched records. Remember this one. So we are discussing about outer chain. Outer chain gives both matched records and unmatched records. It has three subtypes. What are those? First one is left outer chain. Second one, right outer chain. And third one is full outer chain. Like this, three types of outer chains are there. What is left outer chain? Very easy, sir. I already told outer chain means gives both matched records and unmatched records. I told. Left outer chain gives matched records and unmatched records from left table. Left outer chain gives matched records and unmatched records from left table. You can guess right outer chain now. Right outer chain gives matched records, unmatched records from right table. Full outer chain gives matched records and unmatched records from left table and right tables. That's it, simple. Very easy, sir. Inner chain gives only matched records. Outer chain gives both matched and unmatched. Left outer chain gives matched, unmatched from left table. Right outer chain gives matched, unmatched from right table. Full outer chain gives matched, unmatched from left and right tables. That's it. Simple. One sentences only. So we are discussing about left outer chain. What is left outer chain? Left outer chain is equals to matched records plus unmatched records from left table. This point only I am writing in words. Left outer chain gives matched records and unmatched records from left table. Okay. Then how can we decide which one is left table, which one is right table? This point is very, very important. In Oracle style, join condition decides left and right tables. In Oracle style, join condition decides left and right tables. Understand, sir? Where E dot department number equals to D dot department number. Notice here. Left hand side table, left table. This is join condition. This left hand side table, E. E means EMP table. So EMP is the left table. This right hand side table, right table. Department is the right table. How we are telling? Based on the Jan condition. This is Jan condition. Left hand side table is left table. So EMP is left table. right hand side table, right table. This right hand side table, right table. Here right hand side table is D table. D means department table. So department is right table. That's it, sir. Left hand side table, left table. Right hand side table, right table. Simple. Left hand side table is EMP. Right hand side table is department. EMP left table, department right table. How we are telling? Based on the Jan condition in Oracle style. So here EMP is left table, left hand side table, left table, department is right table. If you don't know this, you cannot write outer Jan, sir. Suppose same thing I'm writing like this, where D dot department number equals to E dot department number. This one only I'm changing. Here E dot department number equals to D dot department number. Here I'm writing D dot department number equals to E dot department number. So this left hand side table is left table, department is left table, right hand side table is right table, EMP is right table. So here department is left table, okay, EMP is right table. How we are saying? Based on this Jan condition. Here left hand side table, left table, EMP left table, right hand side table, right table, department right table. Here left hand side table, department left table, right hand side table, EMP right. That's it. Whereas in ANSI style, keyword decides left table and right table. In ANSI style, keyword decides left table and right table. For example, I'm writing like this. From EMPE join department D. So this left hand side table, left table, right hand side table, right table. EMP left table, department right table. How we are telling? Based on the keyword. So EMP is left table, department is right table here. Suppose same thing I'm writing like this. I'm changing the order here. From department D, join EMP E I'm writing. Now this left hand side table, right hand side table, right table. Department left table, EMP right table. That's it. Last time I'm telling, sir, how can we decide left table and right table? In Oracle style, Jan condition decides left table and right table. In ANSI style, keyword decides left table and right table. Okay. Observe now. In Oracle style, Jan condition decides left table and right table. This is Jan condition. Left hand side table, right hand side table, right table. EMP left table, department right table. In this example, left hand side table, right hand side table, right table. Department left table, EMP right table. How we are telling? Based on the Jan condition. In ANSI style, keyword decides left table and right table. This is keyword. Left hand side table, right hand side table, right table. EMP left table, department right table. Here, department left table, EMP right table. How we are telling? Based on the key. If you don't know this point, you cannot write outer Jans. You must know this one. In Oracle style, Jan condition decides left table and right table. In ANSI style, keyword decides left table and right table. Is this point clear, sir? Okay. So, for left outer Jan, we use Jan operator, outer Jan operator here. So, right outer Jan operator symbol is plus. Outer Jan operator symbol is plus. So for left outer Jan, right plus symbol. This plus is outer Jan operator symbol. outer chain operator symbol is, we write plus in the parenthesis. So in Oracle style, for left outer chain, write plus symbol at right side. Opposite side, we write plus symbol. For left outer chain, write plus symbol at right side, sir. In Oracle style. In ANSI style, keyword is important. In ANSI style, use the keyword left outer chain. Left outer chain. In left outer chain keyword, writing outer is optional, not compulsory. Shortly, you can write left chain also. Now, see the example on left outer chain. The question is like this. Display employee details along with department details. If the question is this much only, write equigen. Display employee details along with department details. Equigen. Smith employee working in research department located at Dallas, like this. Match record. Smith employee working in research department located Dallas. Match record. Display employee details with department details. If the question is this much only, write equigen. But he is asking also display the employees to whom department is not assigned. Notice here, display the employees to whom department is not assigned. Means employees are there, but department is not assigned. Check in the table here. AB, employees are there. Department is not assigned. So this data he is asking. A employees there, department not assigned. B employees there, department is not assigned. Means he is asking unmatched records from EMP table. Understanding question is very important here. So A implies there. Okay, but department is not assigned. B implies there, but department is not assigned. So this is matched record. This next record is unmatched record from EMP table. I want to take EMP as left table. So from left table, I want to get unmatched record. So write left outer chain. Left outer chain gives match records unmatched from left table. So from left table, I want to get unmatched record. So write left outer chain. E-name salary columns available in EMP table. D-name location columns available in department table. So this is the output we want to get, sir. Employee details with department details. Match records. Also display the employees to whom department is not assigned. AB employees are there. Department not assigned. Unmatched from EMP table we want. Take EMP as left table. So from left table we want to get unmatched records. So write left outer chain. How to write? In Oracle style. Observe. Select. Give two tables columns list. E dot E name. E dot salary. D dot D name. D dot location. From which tables we want to get? EMPE department. Where right join condition here. Common column is department number. E dot department number equals to D dot department number. If I write this much only, equigen. This is equigen. Means inner gen. It gives only matched records. But what is our requirement? We want to get unmatched records from left table. So write left outer chain. For left outer chain, write plus symbol at right side. This is left outer chain Oracle style, sir. If this plus symbol is not there, equigen, it gives match records only. For left outer chain, write plus symbol at right side. That's it. This is left outer Oracle style. Same query I want to write in ANSI style. ANSI style. To separate these two table names. For left outer Jan, use the keyword left outer Jan. Shortly you can write left Jan also. Write this Jan condition in the on clause. For ANSI style, we never use plus symbol. This plus symbol is for Oracle style only. Plus symbol we never use for ANSI style. Remember this. That's it, sir. Simple, easy. If this plus symbol is not there, equijan, sir. Okay, if I write inner Jan here, equijan. These both are equijans now. But now I want to get unmatched records from left table EMP. So from left table EMP, I want to get unmatched records. So I have to write left outer Jan. For left outer Jan, write plus symbol at right side. This is left outer Jan. EMP is the left table, department is the right table. From left table, I want to get unmatched records. So for left outer Jan, write plus symbol at right side. This is left outer Jan. For left outer Jan in ANSI style, use the keyword left outer Jan. That's it. This is left outer Jan in ANSI style. Left hand side table, left table, right hand side table, right table. EMP left table, department right table. Here EMP left table, department right table. Here based on Jan condition I'm telling. Here based on keyword I'm telling. That's it. This is left outer Jan. So this one only I want to show. Okay, observe now. In our EMP table, to all employees, department is assigned. There are no unmatched records. To all employees, department number is assigned. Observe. There are no unmatched records. So let me insert two unmatched records here. Insert into EMP. Employee number, e-name, salary, values 1001 A 2500. 1002 B 2000. Two unmatched records I am inserting. Open and see the table data now. See here. These 14 records are matched records. For these two employees, department number is not assigned. These two are unmatched records from EMP table. See the department table. Select star from department. 10, 20, 30, 40. Four departments are there. 10 has employees, 20 has employees, 30 has employees, but 40 has no employee. So this is unmatched record from department. This ABR unmatched records from EMP table. This 40 is unmatched record from department table. Remaining records are matched records. Now we want to get employee details along with the department details. Okay, Smith employee working in research department located at Dallas, like this. Match records we want. A employee is there, but department is not assigned. This is unmatched record. This is unmatched record from EMP table, left table. Unmatched record I want. This is the output I want to get. So from left table, we want to get unmatched record. So write left outer Jan. Left outer Jan gives matched records, unmatched from left table. So write left outer Jan now. You tell me, sir, how to write in Oracle style. Select E dot E name, E dot salary, D dot D name, D dot location. From EMPE, department D, I'm sorry. From EMPE, department D, where? What is the Jan condition, sir? E dot department number equals to D dot department number. If you write this much only, this equigen gives matched records, 14 matched records I'm getting observed. It is not giving unmatched records. It's not giving AB. Equigen gives only matched records. Equigen never give unmatched records AB. But I want to get AB unmatched records also. From EMP table, left table, I want to get unmatched records. So write left outer join. For left outer join, write plus symbol at right side. Opposite side, we write plus symbol. Observe now. So 14 match records we are getting. 2 unmatched records I am getting. Observe. So with this, we can understand that left outer join gives match records and unmatched records. These are unmatched records from left table EMP. Left outer join. Left outer join gives matched records unmatched from left table. So this is Oracle style left outer join. The key point is this one. For left outer join, right plus symbol at right side. Same query I want to write in ANSI style. In ANSI style, to separate these two table names, use the keyword left outer join. Join condition is E dot department number equals to D dot department. Observe now, same output I am getting 14 match records, 2 unmatched records. 16 rows I am getting. But this is ANSI style. So this is about left outer chain. Left outer chain gives matched records, unmatched from left table. EMP. Is it clear about left outer chain, sir? Are you understanding? Online students, please confirm. Is it clear about left outer chain? Oracle style, ANSI style, is every point clear? Okay. If you understand left outer chain, easily you can understand right outer chain. Topic name is right outer chain. What right outer chain gives? Right outer chain is equals to match records unmatched from right table. So this point only I'm writing in words. Right outer chain gives matched records and unmatched records from right table. How to identify left table, right table, you already know. In Oracle style, right plus symbol at left side. For right outer chain, right plus symbol at left side. Remember this. In Oracle style, for right outer chain, right plus symbol at left side. Opposite side, we write plus symbol. In ANSI style, use the keyword. In ANSI style, use the keyword. For right outer chain, which keyword we have to use? Right outer chain. Writing outer is optional. Shortly, you can write right chain also. No problem. See one example on it. For example, the question is like this, sir. Display employee details along with department details. If the question is this much only, equigen is asking match records here. Smith employee working in research department located at Dallas. Like this. Display employee details along with department details. If the question is this much only, match records. Equigen. But he is asking also display the departments which are not having employees. Means department is there, but the department is not having any employee. 40 operations department is there. 40 operations department is there, but it is not having any employee. This one he is asking unmatched from department table. He is asking take department as right table. So right outer Jan. He is asking unmatched record from department table. Display the departments which are not having employees. 40 is not having any employee. This we want. Display the departments which are not having any employee. Operations located Boston like this. Not having any employee. So this first record is match record. Second record is unmatched record from department table. Take department as right table. So write right outer Jan. Okay. In Oracle style I am writing. Now, what we write, sir? E name salary columns available in EMP table. D name location columns available in department table. What we are writing Oracle style? Select E dot E name, E dot salary, D dot D name, D dot location from EMPE, department D, where E dot department number plus equals to D dot department number. For right outer Jan, write plus symbol at left side. If this plus symbol is not there, if plus symbol is not there, equijan, sir. Inner Jan. Match records only we get. If I write plus symbol at right side, this is left outer Jan. From EMP table, I get unmatched records. From left table EMP, I get unmatched records. But I want to get unmatched records from department table, right table. For right outer Jan, write plus symbol at left side. This is right outer Jan. This is Oracle style. Same query. I want to write in ANSI style. In ANSI style, to separate these two table names, use the keyword right outer Jan. Shortly, you can write right Jan also, no problem. Even if you don't write this outer, no problem. Right Jan also you can write. For clarity, I'm writing right outer Jan. Write this Jan condition in the on clause. And in ANSI style, we never use plus symbol. Observe now, Oracle style I'm copying. Our discussion correct or not, check here. See, sir. This is Oracle style, right outer Jan. For right outer Jan, we write plus symbol at left side. This is right outer Jan. Right outer Jan is giving match records, observe. Smith working in research, Dallas. 14 match records we are getting, observed. And one unmatched record. 48 department operations. Department is there, but it is not having any employee. So 14 match records, one unmatched record from department table, right table. This is right outer Jan. Oracle style. Same query we are writing in ANSI style. To separate these two table names, I am using the keyword right outer Jan. Right Jan condition in the on clause. E dot department number equals to D dot department number. Observe now. 14 match records and one unmatched record from department table. Operations department is there. It is not having any employee. 14 match records, one unmatched record from department table. So this is right outer Jan and system. Right outer Jan gives match records, unmatched from right table department. Operations department is there, but that is not having any employee. This is right outer Jan. Next one, full outer Jan. This full outer Jan gives full outer Jan is equals to matched records, unmatched from left table and right. This is full outer. So full outer Jan gives matched records, unmatched from left and right tables. In Oracle style, use union operator. Use union operator between left outer Jan and right outer Jan. Between left Jan and right Jan. In ANSI style, use the keyword. In ANSI style, use the keyword. Use the keyword. Full outer Jan. Shortly you can write full Jan also. Writing outer is optional. That's it. See one example here. Example on full outer Jan. Understanding question is important, sir. Question is like this. Display employee details along with department details. If the question is this much only, he is asking match records. Smith employee working in research department. Match record. Also display the employees to whom department is not assigned. So display the employees means employees there, but department is not assigned. A employees there, department not assigned. Unmatched from EMP he is asking. Also display the departments which are not having employees. Which are not having employees. Operations department is there, but it is not having any employee. Unmatched from department he is asking. Understand the question, sir. First record is match record. Second record is unmatched record from EMP table. Employee is there. Department is not assigned. So I'm taking this as the left table. This is unmatched record from right table. This is unmatched record from department table. Take department as the right table. So we want to get match record. Unmatched from left table EMP. Unmatched from right table department. So go for full outer Jan now. Full outer Jan. How to write full outer Jan in Oracle style? Easy. Understand about union operator first. In school level, in the mathematics, you learned. In school level, in the mathematics, you learned sets chapters, sir. Sets. In the sets, you learned union intersect. If A set elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If B set elements are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Find A union B. Find A union B. What is A union B value, sir? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what union is doing? Union is combining A set elements, B set elements without duplicates. Union never gives duplicates. This is union in the mathematics. What union is doing? Combining A set elements, B set elements without duplicates. So A set elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B set elements are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5 already given. So that is why again it will not give 4, 5. It is giving 6, 7, 8. So what union is doing? Combining A set elements, B set elements without duplicates. Same point apply here. Okay, just like in the mathematics, union is there, the set chapter. Here we have union operator is there. This is left outer chain. This is right outer chain. In between this, I am applying the operator union. What left outer chain gives? Left outer chain gives matched records, unmatched from left table. Understand, sir? What left outer chain gives? Matched records, unmatched from left table. What right outer chain gives? Matched records, unmatched from right table. In between left outer chain select query and right outer chain select query, I am using union. What union will do? This left outer chain result, this right outer chain result, both will be combined without duplicates. So now we are getting matched records, unmatched from left, unmatched from right. Observe full outer chain. This is called full outer chain. Once again, I'm telling. What is left order gen? Left order gen gives match records unmatched from left table. What is right order gen? It gives match records unmatched from right table. In between left order gen query and right order gen query, I am applying the operator union. What union will do? Union combines first result plus second result without duplicates. First result is match records unmatched from left. Second result is match records unmatched from right. Union never give duplicates. So we get match records only one time. So this left outer gen union right outer gen is called full outer gen. This is called full outer gen. It gives match records unmatched from left and unmatched from right. Match records already given. So again it will not give match records. So union never give duplicates. This is first select query result. This is second select query result. Both are combined by union without duplicates. So we get match records only one time. This is full outer in Oracle style. Observe now. Just now we have written this left order answer. I'm copying this. Okay, this is left order gen. I'm taking two columns only. This is left order gen. E dot E name, D dot D name. From EMPE department D, where E dot department number equals to D dot department number plus. For left order gen, we write plus symbol at right side. This is left order gen. This is right outer gen. For right outer gen, we write plus symbol at left side. This is left order gen. This is right order gen. In between this, I am applying the operator union. So what this select query gives? It gives match records unmatched from left table EMP. What this second select query gives? Match records unmatched from right table department. What this union is doing? This is first select query result. This is second select query result. What union will do? Union combines this first result, second result. Union combines rows. Union combines first select query result, second select query result without duplicates. So what we are getting? Match records unmatched from left table EMP, unmatched from right table department. So there are 14 match records are there. 2 unmatched records are there from EMP table AB, and 1 unmatched record is there from department table operations. So 17 records we get. This is Oracle style, full outer gen. ANSI style is no need to write this much complex query. ANSI style is very easy. No need to write this much complex query. Just to separate these two table names, use the keyword full outer gen. Shortly you can write full gen. Write this gen condition in the on clause on. That's it. Like this way. Now, let me show this one only. Observe here. I'm copying this Oracle style query. See here. See. Left outer gen, union, right outer gen. This is called full outer gen. It is giving 14 matched records. Observe. 14 matched records. Employee details with department details. 14 matched records. 2 unmatched records from EMP. AB employees are there. Department is not assigned. 2 unmatched records from EMP. Left table. And 1 unmatched record from department table. Right table. So with this we can understand that full outer gen gives match records unmatched from left table and right table. This is full outer gen, Oracle style. Oracle style query complex, 7 lines query I'm writing. ANSI style is very easy. Just to separate these two table names, use the keyword full outer gen. Write Jan condition in the on clause. E dot department number equals to D dot department number. Observe, just 3 lines query only I'm writing. I'm not writing that much complex query. See here, same output I'm getting. 14 match records, 2 unmatched records from left table EMP, 1 unmatched record from right table department. This is full outer Jan. Okay. Now finally the conclusion is, for left outer Jan, we write plus symbol at right side in Oracle style. In ANSI style, we use left outer Jan keyword. It gives match records, unmatched from left table. Here left table EMP, right table department. How we are saying based on this Jan condition. Here left table EMP, right table department. How we are saying based on the keyword. So left outer Jan gives matched records, unmatched from left table EMP. This is right outer Jan. For right outer Jan, we write plus symbol at left side. Oracle style. In ANSI style, use the keyword right outer Jan. It gives match records, unmatched records from right table. Here, right table department. Right table department. Next, full outer Jan. Full outer Jan gives match records, unmatched from left and unmatched from right. Left outer Jan union, right outer Jan. Plus symbol we are reading right side means left outer Jan. Plus symbol we are reading left side means right outer Jan. Left outer Jan union, right outer Jan. This is full outer Jan. In ANSI style, use the keyword full outer. So this is about 3 outer Jans. Outer Jans topic is over. Is it clear up to here, sir? Online students, please confirm outer Jan 3 types are over. Is it clear up to here? We know. So this is first table, this second table, left table, right table. This is left table, this is right table. Okay. This is left table, this is right table. This is left table, this is right table. Inner Jan. Inner Jan. Inner Jan gives only match records. Match records. Inner Jan gives only match records. Left outer Jan, or you can say left Jan. Left Jan gives match records. Match records. And unmatched from left table. This is left outer Jan. Next one, right outer Jan. Right outer Jan gives match records. Unmatched from right table. This is right outer. Next, full outer Jan. Full outer Jan. Full outer Jan gives match records. Unmatched from left table. Unmatched from right table. This is full outer Jan. That's it, sir. This is match record. This is left outer Jan. This is right outer Jan. And this is full outer Jan. I am representing in the form of Venn diagrams. 4 cases we know very clearly. I'm stopping the session here. Tomorrow,